Donald Trump has halted funding for immigration lawyers who represent unaccompanied children in immigration courts. The Trump administration told the Acacia Center for Justice that represents the unaccompanied minors to stop all work immediately. Now, this organization represents 26,000 migrant children that are currently in the immigration process. And what was all those contracts that were halted amounted to? $200 million. Well, if that's what it costs, why don't you take the money from this ridiculous deport yourself ads that Homeland Security is running? The money for this is exactly what we need to help children get representation in immigration court. Because these children, without representation, will have to represent themselves. You're doing this to children who have already been through enough. They are already traumatized. Now, this is from 2022, but it just shows that a lot of unaccompanied minors have to represent themselves. A very small number actually have representation. And this is what this money was supposed to do. Help those children get representation, apply for asylum, or sometimes visa for abuse or human trafficking. Now, it seems like these lawyers cannot help new kids, but they seem to be willing to continue working with the ones they've already started a case with. Because attorneys have obligation to their clients and can't simply abandon their case. So a lot of these lawyers are going to work out of pocket. This is a cruel thing to do to children. And remember, to keep up with stories like these, sign up for my newsletter, check out my podcast, one of my other social media sites, link in bio.